levels. No fellow but rebels. Some digging with shovels. They digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days.
Okay, back again with another video. As usual, giving y'all the good content, man. Right now, we're about to do a review or unboxing on. I already unboxed it a long time ago, but a review on Black Magic. It's the tire gel. So it comes with this and then one of these. Me personally, this is the best tire gel that this is my first time using tire gel, and this is the best experience that I have with it. I mean, if it don't rain, man, this thing lasts, literally, it say 8 weeks, it lasts 8 weeks. Like, it says what it means. So even when it do rain, it still lasts. You ain't even gotta clean the wheels. You ain't gotta put no more of this on. And this lasts for a very long time too. I bought this like over 2 months ago, and I'm still at not even half a bottle yet. Not even close to half a bottle, but I'm still up here on my bottle. So I still have a lot left. It lasts as long. It's better than using spray. That's what I always use. That's what I grew up using. Tire spray. And those bottles don't last long. They last for like a month, especially in the summertime. You run through it real quick because the car get dusty, dirty, it rains sometimes, this and that. But we finna get into the video. I'm finna show y'all how to apply it, and then I'm gonna show y'all it in the sun, how it still holds up. And gives it a really good, main reason for this review is because it gives it a really good shine. It's like you had just bought the car off the lot. You know how they have that nice shine to it? This is exactly how it is. If you just bought it off the lot, this is how I apply mine. Just open it, spread it on the way across, boom, and go like boom, boom, boom. You can put one more in there if you want to. It really sticks really well. And then just go over it like this. This is how I do mine. Go like that, circle, go back and forth a little bit, kind of smear it in. And you want to do this on a clean tire. So make sure your tire is clean. You soak in water if you got to, whatever you can. Make sure your tire is clean, or it's not going to work right. Make sure it's not wet either, or it's just going to pretty much smear and it's not going to give you any effect towards it. Taking my time with it. You can just go around one time like that. Let's go around each section. So you got the top section, you got the mid section, you got the intersection. So I'm just going on over it. This is for the video purposes, but this is how many times I go over it to make sure it's in. See, I'm going back and forth. And that's it. So this is how you apply it. So I'm not gonna show y'all the rest of the 4 tires because it's the same way. But I'm gonna show y'all in the sun how it looks. It looks really good, really nice. So this Armorall tire shine is real good. I just started using it like last month. It's way better than using a spray bottle. That's what I always use. That's what I grew up using, a spray bottle. Like, what is it called? Black Magic spray bottle. That's what I always use. I just spray it on. But this gel, this tire, I use the same brand. Use the same brand of the Black Magic, but I use the tire gel. It's really good. So this Black Magic tire gel is really good. As you can see, it really gives it that shine that it's supposed to get, and it lasts a long time. Even when it rains, it still stays. So I'm not sure if I can see that shine. Real shiny. And that's the end of the video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your brother Mighty Prophet 144K, and I'm out, man. Peace.